Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to go and use whatnot credit. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the application itself. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and use whatnot credit. So to use whatnot credit, first make sure that a credit is available on your account. You can check your balance through your wallet or referral hub depending on how you receive the credit. So you can go to your bottom right corner, click on account, and here of course you can see the credits. We have account, as you can see referral and credits. Click on there, and there you can of course see your credits in the top right corner. As you can see, I have 0 credits at the very moment. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and use them. So first of all, find an item you want to purchase on whatnot, and either during a live event or a regular listing. So as you can see on the main screen here, as you can see, we have a lot of live events that we can of course go into and make a purchase there. Or we can just go and click on the profile of a person, click on the profile, and then click on shop. And then if he has something at the shop, we can go and purchase it there. So this person didn't have it, but this person has it. As you can see, we have the product. You can go and click on the product, and there you can click on it, and you can then go and buy the product. So click on the product, click pre-bid or buy to go and take that product, and that's how you can do it. That's how you can go and do with your credits. So that's basically that. So referral credit can be used for purchases both inside and outside the live shows with no minimum purchase amount. So that's what I'm talking about. When I clicked on the bottom right corner, we have the referrals here, which you can get with the, of course, suggesting your friends here. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.